Ayan guys, plaza. Ayan guys, yung plaza guys, oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Masyadong mainit guys, kaya silong-silong muna. Nandito ako sa plaza ng Olivedra. Ayan guys. Maiksi lang ito guys ha. Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo yung tambayan nila guys. Oh. Thank you so much for watching guys.